This is CompTIA 9.5, and in this lab we're going to look at mobile hardware support. So you are a junior IT professional at a small startup company. Your manager has asked you to prepare the marketing director's iPad and notebook computer for an upcoming conference that she is attending. While working on the notebook computer, you notice the integrated Wi-Fi adapter is not functioning. Complete the following on the iPad. Turn off airplane mode and connect the iPad to the CompTIA wireless network. Airplane mode is disabled. Paraphrase is going to be at CompTIA WER secure, and we're going to turn off Bluetooth, turn on passcode. Current passcode is going to be 1542. Configure the iPad to require a passcode after 15 minutes of being idle. Okay, so we start up in this lab. Let's see if there's any other thing that we missed so far. Okay, we're also going to configure the iPad to erase data after 10 failed passcode attempt. We're also going to configure VPN settings on the iPad for future use. So let's go ahead and go into the iPad. From the iPad, we want to locate settings, and we're going to turn off airplane mode, and the Wi-Fi is currently turned off. So we'll go ahead and turn this Wi-Fi on, and the password. So go ahead and join. Bluetooth, let's turn this off. So we have to follow all the tags. Here I want to go here, set the passcode. Let's impute it, click done, re-enter it again, and click done. Okay, so we go ahead and configure the iPad to require passcode after 15 minutes of being idle. So we'll go here and let's select 15 minutes. Let's go back. Let's go to scroll down. Let's turn this on, enable this, and configure VPN settings on the iPad for future use. So we'll go over to General, and under General we are going to locate VPN. Here's VPN, and let's set it up, and we go to PPTP, and description is going to be Office 2 VPN. You can copy this and paste or type this in. The server is going to be 198.28.56.110. So we just paste this, and the account is going to be M Brown. Space this, go ahead and save, and let's check our answers and see how we do. Okay, on laptop. Okay, so we're done with the iPad. We'll go over to the laptop. Let's go to hardware for Office 2, and we'll locate a laptop. Okay, so we still have more tags here on the laptop. Configure power savings to increase battery I've installed the faster USB wireless adapter from the inventory. So this is the fast, see the speed here. Let's close this. We want to make sure we select the fastest. So we try the other one and compare the speed. So this is going to be 2.4 gigahertz. Okay, let's check the third one. Let's see the specification. It's going to be 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. Okay, so from the three, I think this, let's check this again just to be sure. This is 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, 81. Okay, so from the three, I think this is currently the fastest one. So let's go ahead and plug this in. So we turn it back to front. Let's go into the desktop. Let's see. Let's come after 10 minutes. We go to screen, and so this is going to be 10 minutes. A customized plan to put computer to sleep after 30 minutes when plugged in. So we're gonna, when plugged in, device should sleep after 30 minutes. And let's see, is there any other thing? So this is gonna go to best power efficiency. Let's go ahead and see how we do, if there's anything missing, and everything is fine. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also consider joining my professional membership so that you have access to my other videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.